channel. Let's take a deep dive into the 2026 Kia Sorento, exploring everything from its design and performance to its tech features and what makes it stand out, all in a way that's informative for both car enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Imagine arriving at your destination in a vehicle that blends modern boldness with practical utility. That's the first impression the 2026 Sorento delivers. From the outside, you'll notice sharper lines, a confident stance, and design touches that balance elegance with toughness. The front end looks more assertive, featuring a sculpted grille, strong shoulder lines, and sleek LED headlights. It's designed to look stylish yet functional for everyday use. Inside, the cabin feels upscale and well-crafted. The materials are refined, with ambient lighting and a redesigned steering wheel adding a premium touch. There's seating for 6 or 7 passengers depending on configuration, and generous cargo space means you don't sacrifice practicality. The layout is modern, comfortable, and ideal for families. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Sorento offers multiple powertrain options. The standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine produces around 191 horsepower, enough for daily driving. The turbocharged 2.5-liter engine bumps power to about 281 horsepower for those who want extra performance. The hybrid version combines a 1.6-liter turbo engine with an electric motor for roughly 227 horsepower and excellent fuel efficiency. The plug-in hybrid model increases power to about 261 horsepower and offers an electric-only range of around 30 miles. In real-world driving, the hybrid accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in the low 8-second range and delivers around 34 to 36 mpg combined, making it ideal for mixed commuting. The turbo model feels sportier, while the hybrids focus on smooth, efficient performance. The Sorento feels composed on the road. Steering is responsive, the ride is comfortable, and its mid-size dimensions make it easy to handle without feeling bulky. Technology and safety are big strengths in this model. Standard features include advanced lane keeping assist, driver attention monitoring, and multiple airbags. Higher trims add a digital key, ambient lighting, and touch-sensitive door handles. The infotainment system is up to date with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and multiple USB ports across all rows. Over there, updates and smart connectivity make it a tech-friendly family SUV. Comfort is another highlight. Premium seat materials, heating and ventilation options, and great visibility make long drives easy. Cargo space is versatile, and while the third row suits smaller passengers best, it's a huge advantage for families needing occasional extra seating. What makes the 2026 Sorento stand out is its balance. 3-row flexibility, multiple engine choices including hybrids, advanced safety, and a premium design, all at a competitive price. Compared to rivals, it offers a well-rounded mix of efficiency, technology, and practicality. There are a few trade-offs. The third row space is limited for adults, and the hybrid models aren't as powerful as the turbo version. Prices can rise with higher trims, so choosing the right configuration matters. Overall, the 2026 Kia Sorento is a stylish, versatile, and tech-savvy mid-size SUV that fits both family and adventure lifestyles. Choose the hybrid for fuel savings, the turbo for stronger performance, and a mid to upper trim for the best balance of comfort and value.